In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert number in scientific form in Excel. If you work with very large or very small values, scientific notation is a clean, compact way to display them. Instead of a long trail of zeros, Excel can show numbers as a coefficient multiplied by a power of 10, which keeps your worksheets readable without changing the underlying values. Start by clicking the number you want to format. That simply means selecting the cell that contains the value. If you're working with more than one number, you can select a range by dragging across the cells or holding Shift while you click. But the idea is the same. Make sure the numbers you want to convert are highlighted so Excel knows where to apply the format. With the cell selected, look at the Number section on the Home tab. By default, most cells are set to General, which tells Excel to display the number in a straightforward way. Click the drop-down that says General and choose Scientific. The moment you pick Scientific, Excel will reformat the display. For example, 1230,000 might appear as 1.23e plus 06, and 0.0000123 might appear as 1.23e05. The E stands for times 10 to the power of. So E plus 06 means multiplied by 10 to the sixth power, and E05 means multiplied by 10 to the negative fifth power. This change is purely about how the number looks. The value itself does not change. Formulas that reference the cell still use the exact same underlying number, and sorting, filtering, and calculations behave as before. You're simply telling Excel to present the value in a more concise scientific format. If the number of decimal places feels too long or too short for your needs, look to the right of the formatting drop-down for the increase decimal and decrease decimal buttons. These let you fine-tune the digits shown without altering the actual value. You can always switch back later by choosing General again from that same drop-down if you prefer the full number view. A couple of quick tips as you use this. Scientific notation is especially helpful when exporting or presenting data because it keeps columns narrow and consistent, and it prevents large values from running into adjacent cells. Also, when you copy a scientific formatted cell into another program, that program may display either the formatted version or the full number, depending on its settings, but the numeric value remains accurate. That's all there is to it. Click the number you want to change, then on the Number Format menu, switch from General to Scientific. With that, your data stays precise and your sheet stays clean and easy to read.